Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stripping about 1.25 cm, 1/2 inch of outer jacket. Do this carefully to avoid nicking pairs. Once done, spread the 4 twisted pairs and straighten each wire so they lie flat. Make sure to align wires to your chosen wiring standard, either T568A or T568B, and keep the sequence consistent. This prevents crossover errors. Then trim the wires square across to a clean, even edge. Next, hold the plug with the clip facing down and insert the trimmed wires fully so each reaches its channel. You should see jacket under the plug's strain relief. Once inserted, give a slight tug to seat the cable and confirm the jacket rests inside the plug for strain support. Then place the plug into the crimper and squeeze firmly in one smooth motion so the contacts pierce each conductor and the strain relief bites the jacket. This secures both connection and durability. To finish, power on your cable tester and run a quick continuity check across all 8 pins. You want straight-through or handled pair mapping depending on your standard. If a fault appears, make sure the pin-out sequence is correct and that each conductor reaches the plug's gold pins. Once done, recrimp if needed. If you still see a short, cut off the end and repeat the stripping and alignment. Physical damage or improper seating causes most failures, so inspect closely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.